This Math by Myself activity is extra practice for Lesson 8 that we completed in class. Number 1, write the number as tens and ones in the place value chart, or use the place value chart to write the number. A, 81. What does it look on the place value chart? How many tens? How many ones? You're going to repeat it for the other problems below. Some of them, as you can see, they don't give you the number. They give you the filled in place value chart, and you have to figure out what does that number equal. Number 2, write the number. A, 9 tens, 2 ones is the number blank. B, 8 tens, 4 ones is the number blank. For these, draw using your whiteboard and marker to help you figure out what the number is, or you can use your cubes to help you. Remember, don't just guess, and if you need to push pause after each letter while I read it, go ahead and do that. Letter C, 11 tens, 3 ones is the number blank. D, 10 tens, 9 ones is the number blank. E, 10 tens, 1 ones is the number blank. F, 11 tens, 6 ones is the number blank. Number 3. This page, you have place value charts on the left side, goes A through G. And on the right side, you have boxes that give words to describe how many tens and how many ones there are in a number. So you're going to match one of these place value charts that has a black dot and find which one of these boxes on the right is the same number. And you're going to draw a line from that black dot to the black dot that it matches. These two are not the match, but we're going to pretend these are, so I would draw a line. But again, this is not the correct answer. So look at the place value charts, find the match. On the right, this says 11 tens, 4 ones, 9 tens, 5 ones, 11 tens, 8 ones, 11 tens, 0 ones, the number 102, 10 tens, 0 ones, 108.